Previously on White Noise. We're finally moving into this amazing, amazing space on 7th Avenue, which is very prestigious and actually a big deal. And then, are you kidding me? M-A-L-A-L-A-I. We're still getting adjusted and settling into the new space, but you can't stop. You know, I'm constantly multitasking. So one of the things as an entrepreneur that I am learning how to balance is that there's always something to do and my mind is always racing. So I'm really in the space where I'm trying to find balance. Balance between my personal life, my personal time, my business life, being good to me, nurturing my relationship. So this evening I'm going to have dinner with my honey and I'm running a little late. So, yeah. Your eyes are shut now. Hi, Mommy. Your heartbeat is fake. Mom, will you just tell me it's gonna be okay? Can you feel the flame? Hi, I'm Tamiko White, the owner of White Noise Showroom, and welcome to my world. This is the side of the fashion business that a lot of people don't get to see. Girl, don't try to copy. Won't you try to stop me? Won't you try to stop me? Hi, Ronnie.
Hi, Tamiko. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you? What's going on? Have you seen the man of the hour?
Yeah, I see him, but he left like 5 minutes ago. He was waiting for you.
Oh, okay. Was he here a long time?
Yeah, a little while.
Mommy.
Finally made it.
Oh, honey, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I thought you left me.
No. PBO sent me some paint, so I went to go get some art supplies.
Oh, good. Show me. And I have something to show you, too.
Okay.
But I'm hungry, so you want to eat?
Yeah, definitely.
All right, let's eat. I know. I was late, but thank goodness Orlando did not leave me. He actually went to get supplies for a project he's working on with his clients. Multitasking. But tonight, all work aside, we're just gonna relax and have some quality time, a little dinner, a little vino, and just chill out. So since the mood is light and we have a bunch of weddings coming up and we're already in wedding conversation, now's a great time for us to talk about our wedding. I think we should think about our own wedding.
Yeah. So what do you think about that? What have you been thinking?
Well, I don't want a destination wedding. Do you want a destination wedding?
Someplace far, far away.
No, I don't want it. Do you?
I've always played with the general idea, but it necessarily didn't have to be that. Why? Have you thought about it?
Well, I just think like with hers coming up, it kind of has me in the mindset of it could be great to go away and do that. But I feel like you eliminate a lot of people that could come and a lot of colleagues that could celebrate with you. I already know where you're going with this.
Oh yeah, it could be a filter.
Yeah, but you know, I mean, it's an idea. But I think we should think about something.
Yeah.
Because like time is going by.
Yeah, like it always does, but we'll figure something out.
You know, Orlando and I have had some tough times, some great times, but some tough times as well. But we've gotten through them together. Well, you know, we haven't had, you know, the easiest 4 years. So.
This is true.
But I think that, you know, we've seen some really dark days.
Yeah.
But I think we're on the other side of it, and that's exciting and rewarding. And I think that if we could get through that, then, you know, I think marriage is like,
Yeah, I mean, listen, after every storm, oftentimes you'll see a rainbow.
What do you like reading? What is it with these one-liners?
It's all natural.
No, whatever. It's like, really? You're like Norman Vincent Peale.
Thespian, don't you forget it.
If this should be the day that I die, bury me in Versace, put on my shades, don't watch me. Business feels like Rocky, girl, don't try to copy. Won't you try to stop me? Won't you try to stop me?